So this is why you need the Jansno. Get it? Ow. Get it? The Jansno. We thought we were going for a nice warm ride here, but no. We live in Calgary where it snows year round and gave us a dump of snow out of nowhere, even though it's April. Like I should be on my motorcycle, but no. We're riding the Jansno. What a beautiful day. So Dan got his fancy new scooter. You guys know him. He's been in all my videos. Haley's been in my videos sometimes too. But we're checking out this puppy. Look at those retro colors. How sick is that? Dual battery, 200 kilometer range. And let's have some fun with it. But these fat tires though. What a beautiful view. These fat tires let you go on ice and snow. Check it out. We should have thought about this. Oh well. That's why I got my waterproof shoes on. This thing's actually doing pretty well with the fat tires. Just gotta remember the brakes are like bicycle, not motorcycle. Over the last few years, I've been building this crazy bridge here, which you'll see in about 10 seconds. And this used to be all closed and we couldn't come down here, so we've not been down here in years, and there it is. Damn, that's a nice, and of course it's already been tagged. Oh my god, this is brand spanking new. Haley, you look frozen. Oh, the old bridge was on the right, and then they put a new bridge beside it, and now there's two bridges, obviously. Dan, the headlight's already like this. We didn't do it tight enough. That's the other fun thing about it. You get to build it too. So we had a nice little garage night, built it. Okay, so quick stats, because everyone likes stats. It's got 130 miles, 200 kilometers range, thereabouts. Hub motor, 750 watt, the usual standard. Other bikes I've reviewed, same brakes, same throttle, same twist, so it's very, very familiar. The cool thing about this guy is the small wheels. It makes it look so cool. I've already got a couple compliments on it. Oh yeah, top speed test for sure. So there is a little wire underneath that you can cut, and you get more speeds. But this is what it's for though, just cruising. Because the seat is kind of low, especially for my height. I'm 6'2", and look at my knees. But it's like not like a bicycle in terms of like you want to get exercise. You definitely get exercise, but it's more chill, more cruiser vibes. And it's freaking wicked. Top speed run now? Okay, I'm gonna go level 5 and then crank it. Here we go. So I'm full throttle, top gear, full pedal. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. There was lots left in the tank. Once it hits 34, where we were kind of, at my house, we were kind of maxing it out. Now it went to 38 and there's more in the tank. It just had like a little lull at 34 for some reason. Damn, it's too busy for a run here too. Okay, so the only thing with this bike is that there's no regen. So when you brake, it's all brake pads. You don't get any of your energy back, which is like my scooters or the Suron, you can get energy back. Whereas this guy, you can't. But for hills like this, it's freaking amazing. It's cool. It's got a horn. It's got headlights and turn signals, which is awesome. Well, here's a top speed run if I ever did see one. Here's a top speed run if I ever did see one. Okay, we're in full beans. We'll go full gear. Okay, full speed, gas only. Okay. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 miles an hour. Sorry, 42 kilometers an hour, 43 kilometers an hour, 44, 45. Legally it's 20, but once you... 45. Well, you're probably catching me then. So legally it has to be 25 in Canada, but there's a little wire under the seat. You just gotta take it apart and boom, it unlocks the top speed. Hey, we're like cyclists. Yeah, there are no rules for cyclists. I've learned this. So snowcat, why do you accept these bikes when companies reach out? Guys, I get so many emails from companies wanting me to review their electric bikes. I do say no to a lot of them, but sometimes they come along and they look pretty cool. This one has the retro look. I think it's so cool. I've gotten so many compliments for my first 9 kilometers of riding it. And I love that it's an electric bicycle that's like not like a trying to be an exercise bicycle, if you will. Just because it's not trying to be something it's not, you know what I mean? This is a cruiser bike. I think like those crazy bicycles where you go for exercise and they have like electric motors, like what's the point? Not gonna lie though, it's the same motor and same twist throttle as like basically all the electric bicycles that I've tried, which makes them all foolproof, you know. But they are the same top speed, same motors. But it makes sense where they're manufactured from. So, okay, so full speed without using my body. 32 kph, 33, 34, 34, 35, 34. That is more than enough for me. That's why it was deep. This would suck without a motor. Hey, this sucker! No shit, eh? Sorry?
See you later, sucker.
I thought for sure you were lying to make me stop. Good thing he's got that quad lock. Interesting turn of events. Oh, she almost fell off. Okay, so final thoughts on this thing. The looks of this thing is I rate really, really high. I've gotten so much compliments today because it's so trendy. I could imagine riding when it's a little bit warmer to a patio, go have a beer with someone, your friend, your girlfriend, you know. This thing is like a cruiser. It is awesome. It looks so good. It looks like a cruiser. The dual battery is insane. So lots of power. You can turn on and off the second battery, preserve some range. So you can see the overall battery went down right there. Then here, it goes up. Gives you more range. And then the indicators are cool, but you don't really need them for where I live anyways, because you can go on bike pass with these. So it's shipped to you with the speed wire limited, so it goes 25 kilometers an hour, and you can go on bike pass with this thing legally. Unlike my Sur-Ron, which is a gray area everywhere, this is legal. So you can go everywhere. You can delimit it, which I've proven, almost 50 kilometers an hour. That's really, really good. And other than that, it's simple, it's basic, And would I keep it in my garage? The answer is yes, I would. It looks so cool to go to and from my friends' houses, go to the bar, go for a beer. It is awesome. If you're looking for something to exercise with, this is not the move, because it's just a wrong seating position. So that's just my honest thoughts. But it's not fully electric. You do need to assist it to go up hills and whatnot. It won't go by itself. Simple as that. But yeah, so that's the video on the Jansno X70. Alright, boys and girls, thanks for coming to this fun little video. Anything 2 wheels, I love. I ride, I review. Until the next video, peace.